Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how can you delete your account in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you're in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on it. Once you're done with that, you should select here the fourth option, which is settings. And here you have to scroll all the way down and you will find the deactivate account option. You just press on it. You have to write in your current password. Press OK, and after that all you have to do is just deactivate account. So you just press on it and your account will be deactivated. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.